So today we have a lot to cover on ICP and I am running a little bit behind on the updates as usual, but I thought it would still be a good one to talk about today. And there has been quite a lot happening with our beloved internet computer. So the last time that I'd done a video on it, we discussed how people were losing a lot of patience with it because it was kind of trending in this sideward movement from around about December until 6 days ago. And people were frustrated that the most hyped up project wasn't really doing a lot in terms of price action. So what's happened with this? Well, we are now up over 50% in the week. I think last time I just had a glance at it there, it was around 54%. And we also touched on $20, which from the $10 to $12 range that we were stuck in is a huge increase. But it has bounced off this a little bit and it's retraced back down to, I believe there's support found for it around about $18, which isn't unexpected after such a huge pump on it. So the main news, and this is what has caused the most recent pump on ICP. So this is coinciding with the announcement of AI running on the blockchain ICP. So founder Dominic Williams took to Twitter on the 21st of March with this video here. I would recommend you go and take a look at it. It's actually pretty interesting. It's available on his X account. And this was to introduce what he has described as the first blockchain-based AI smart contract. So the integration of AI into the Internet Computer Protocol aligns with the platform's goal of enabling robust large language modules to function as smart contracts on ICP. This endeavour aims to realise a system that is impervious to tampering, resistant to disruption, and is capable of operating autonomously as needed. So there is still quite considerable work ahead for the Internet Computer Smart Contract on the AI model. So optimization for the inference engine used in the smart contracts AI, it is still underway. But once these enhancements are integrated, the upcoming demo will showcase an upgraded ICP AI, and this is expected to boast improved efficiency, accelerated speed, and reduced gas or cycle consumptions. So looking ahead, ICP intends to petition for smart contracts to gain access to single instruction multi-data or SIMD instructions. So the team is confident that this enhancement will enhance the system's speed and efficiency. And additionally, the introduction of Internet Computer AI could prompt a shift from a 32-bit environment to a 64-bit one. And this would obviously then expand the memory limits of smart contracts. So they also have a number of plans for hardware optimization support within the ecosystem of Internet Computer. So one of these optimizations is for WebAssembly smart contracts, and the optimization for this is about harnessing the capabilities of WebAssembly to streamline the computational tasks. So by utilising this technology, the Internet Computer can effectively distribute processing duties to CPUs on existing node machines. And this approach maximizes efficiency, leverages the platform's sovereign node hardware infrastructure to execute tasks more effectively. Now, there is also a proposal for a new public node machine specification. So the proposed plan involves introducing a novel specification for the public node machines within the Internet Computer ecosystem. So these machines are specifically designed to cater to the subnets that are dedicated to hosting AI smart contracts. So unlike the traditional node machines, these specialized units will be equipped with multiple graphic processing units, or GPUs as a lot of us know them, and this is in addition to other necessary hardware components. So the incorporation of GPUs is particularly significant as they are highly adept at parallel processing, and they are exceptionally well suited for handling the computational demands of the AI algorithms. So by outfitting each node machine with several GPUs, the proposal aims to significantly enhance the performance of AI processing within the smart contracts. So these specialized node machines are intended to serve as the backbone for hosting AI-centric application and contracts on the platform. So by leveraging the combined processing power of the CPUs and the GPUs, the developers will then have access to a robust infrastructure which is capable of executing the more complex AI algorithms efficiently. So there's also the goal to empower the large language modules to function as smart contracts. So unlike the traditional contracts, the traditional contracts tend to execute predefined logic and operations. The large language module-based contracts, they have the potential to dynamically interpret and generate more complex natural language responses, which this then enables a wide range of different advanced functionalities. So the smart contracts are envisioned to possess several key attributes which are tamper-proof, unstoppable, and autonomous. So by then enabling the LLMs to operate as smart contracts, the platform then opens up a huge trade of possibilities across various different domains. So from natural language processing and generation to advanced data analysis and decision making, the LLM-based contracts have the potential to redefine how decentralized applications can interact with users and also process the information. So overall, I think that this mission that they have and these new goals that they have, it really does highlight the platform's commitment to fostering different innovation and advancing the capabilities of the technology that they have to then further the project in the future. So AI is obviously a huge narrative for this bull run and in the world as a whole in general. And it's definitely not just the fad that I personally believed, I'm not sure about other people, but I thought it was kind of one of these fads that were super popular for a short period of time and then just kind of died off. It seems to be something that is definitely here to stay as more and more things are incorporating AI. And by internet computer putting themselves at the front of this new technology, it can only boost them in a really positive direction. So I have spoken about ICP a lot over the last 3 months, and this continues to be one of my most favourite projects, and it's the one that I have the most faith in just because the technology that is behind it is nothing like we've ever seen before. I would say it's probably the most advanced technology that we have come across so far. So let me know what your thoughts are on the recent developments with ICP in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.